Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to see how you can create your own MQTT publisher in the Python which can upload the JSON payload to MQTT topic, okay, or you can say which can publish the JSON data to MQTT topic. So in the previous videos we have covered that how you can create your own MQTT publisher in the Python which can publish the raw value, okay, on your topic. So in the raw value, your one topic contain one data, your second topic contains second data, okay. And if you are going with the JSON payload, then one JSON payload can contain multiple data, okay. So that is the benefit of this JSON payload. So that thing we are going to see in this video, that how you can create your own JSON payload MQTT publisher in the Python. So here is our Python script on my desktop. So first of all, we have imported the necessary libraries, okay, which require to run this code. Then after, here is my broker address. I'm going to use the Mosquitto MQTT broker, so that is why I am using 127.0.0.1 and the broker port is 1883. And the topic we are going to use is the weather topic. Inside the weather topic, we are going to update or publish three data: temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. If you are going with the raw value, okay, then one topic contain one data. But right now we are going with the JSON payload, so one JSON payload can contain multiple data, okay. After that, we have created client in the Python, and after that we are connecting to MQTT broker, and then after, here is the while loop. So I am generating three random values for temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. And here is my weather data payload. I am converting this payload in the JSON format, and after converting this payload in the JSON format, I'm going to publish this data to MQTT broker on weather topic. Okay, you can see weather topic. The topic is used here and the payload is this one. Okay, and then after, I'm going to print that data on my serial print. So let's see how this code works. So I'm going to open command prompt here. I'm going to navigate to desktop and I'm going to use Python, okay, MQTT JSON publisher. So you can see the value is published: temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. Each value will publish at interval of 5 seconds. You can see here time.sleep is 5, so each value will be published at interval of 5 seconds. Now here you can see one JSON payload contains three data: temperature data, humidity data, and the wind speed data. Now if I want to read this data in the MQTT client, then how can I do that? So I can open my MQTT Explorer. I can connect with my local Mosquitto MQTT broker, and after 5 seconds, once my Python will publish the data, I will get the data here. You can see temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. Again, after 5 seconds, it will publish the second data, and I can use this key and value things to extract the data. So I can extract my temperature data, I can extract the humidity data, and I can extract the wind speed data. You can see here is the temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. So I don't have to use multiple topics for temperature, humidity, and wind speed. Okay, I hope this thing is clear, that you don't have to use one topic for your each data. You can use one topic for multiple tag or multiple tag values. Okay, right now I'm using weather topic to get three data like temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. If I want to add the fourth point, okay, or fourth data, then also I can add it. It's up to me how much data I want to add in this JSON payload, but it is far better than the raw payload. Okay, I mean, you have to code something to extract the data from this JSON payload, but one JSON payload can contain multiple data. That is the main point. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can create your own publisher in the Python which can publish the data in the JSON payload. Here you can see we have the data in the JSON payload. Okay, here is the key and here is the value for that key. Here is the again key, second key, humidity, and here is the value, and here is the key again, and here is the value. So I hope this thing is clear, and this is our Python script. So if you still have any question or any doubt regarding this Python script, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, all the social media platform link available here on our website, so you can ping me anywhere. Also you can send me a mail, also you can comment on this video. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.